Bonsoir, bienvenue, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today we're going to be making a super cute bear out of clay. I'm thinking of making a whole series of them, at least 3 bears to form. So over here is my iPad and now I'm going to start designing. So as you can see, my bear here looks pretty plain. So I want to add something to it to make it look a little bit better and more interesting. So I was thinking about it and I think we should add some sneakers to the bear. So let's go into Google, search up the word sneakers or shoes. Took me some time to decide which shoe I liked. I scrolled through, thought about it a bit, did some research again. Then I kept on going back and changing my mind to see what other shoe brand I liked more. Eventually, I settled on a pink shoe that I really liked a lot. So I looked for different shades of that pink shoe and eventually found the one I liked the best. And this is the one I like the best. So let's see what it looks like. Wow, that looks really nice. I think I'll save this onto my iPad and add it to my bear now. So let's start adding it. I'm going to add one into one foot and add the other into the other foot. This is looking nice. So it's time to bring out the clay. Very questionable colors. Red, blue, purple. So anyway, we're gonna squeeze out all of our clay. That is so satisfying. I really love watching this. Okay, now we're gonna roll them up into little balls. Ayo, that sounds kind of weird. Okay, anyway, we're just gonna continue rolling them up. Okay, last color, squeeze it out. Okay, now time for the most satisfying part, to mix everything together. I love mixing colors together and seeing the end result. It's just so satisfying. I was right, it's a purple color, because red plus blue is purple. And we're just adding another purple bag, so it's purple. Carry on mixing, and get a really good purple color. Okay, now time to make the actual bear. So I'm going to take small bits of the clay, roll them up. I think these are the feet or the hands. They're the feet. I think these are the ears here. Gonna make the belly and the whole body just one big round piece. That's what makes the bear so cute. Okay, these are the ears. Gonna give them some shape. Okay, now we're just gonna add a little bit of an indentation there. Gonna poke a hole into that so when we paint, our fingers won't get in the way. So time to paint our bear white. So I'm painting my bear white before I start painting on color, because the color won't really be as bright and as vibrant if we directly paint it onto the bear. So if you make it white, which is your base coat, then add your color, it'll look much better. So time to add on all of the bear's limbs. Yay, starting to come together. Well, not really, right now she just looks like a little egg. Okay, I'm gonna use my pencil to make holes for where the limbs are gonna go. So those are the hands. Gonna hot glue them in. Now I'm done with my bear. Now I'm going to paint the ears, the hands, and the legs, everything. I'm going to paint them white. Oh, that ear fell off. Just add it back in. Okay, that looks good. Now, it's time to start painting the bear. I did make a brown color. I didn't like it, then I painted it white again. So now I got some new paint. And we're going to paint with this new paint. So there's brown there, so let's use that brown. But originally, I wanted to mix the brown with white because I wanted to make it a little brighter. So I mixed it together. And guess what? It turned out looking like cement. Wow, this literally looks just like cement. I should definitely change this. So I finished painting it before I actually thought it looks like cement. Wow. I'm still painting it. I still didn't realize it looks like cement. Okay, still painting it. eventually I got the right color I needed, and this looks beautiful. I just added a bit of orange to it, bit of the actual brown color, and now I'm going to seal my bear in some clear glue, so it'll get a little shine when it dries. This is like just normal school glue. The school glue you'll find at your school, you lose your school. I'm stuttering, but you use at your home, you use for basic craft projects, glue that everyone should have access to. So time to make the headphones, my favorite part. Like, it's just what makes the bear so iconic. So I'm gonna take a bit of clay, roll it up into a strip, attach it to the little squares, rectangles that I made. Now I'm going to paint it lilac because I love pastel colors. So just gonna paint it up. Okay, now I'm gonna add on to the bear. This looks pretty good. I mean, it's starting to come together. This bear is looking so adorable. Okay, yep, place it on correctly. Now I'm just gonna touch up any parts that I didn't paint properly on the headphones. And let's just cross our fingers and hope I didn't miss. Spoiler alert, I did miss the bear. I tried to remove the paint. Guess what? I ruined the whole bear, so then I had to paint it again. So that's why my bear lost its shine. But anyway, we're not gonna let that stop us. We're still gonna make the cute eyes. Wow, those eyes are kind of looking scary, not gonna lie. Staring into your soul. I think later on we're gonna add a little bit of shine into the eye. Let's focus on the mouth now. Little side smirk, super cute. Just gonna do a little touch-up still. Okay, this bear is looking really good so far. Okay, I'm gonna paint the bear's shoe pink. Guess what? I changed my mind again, because I mean, it isn't looking nice. The paint color is nice, but the legs, just like I messed a bit of hot glue in it, so it's a bit uneven, not that smooth. I carried on painting. I thought if I added more layers, it would look better, but it didn't really look that much different. So I carried on painting, tried to think of a different plan. Then eventually I painted it lilac and gave it a black outline. So now I'm going to add in the little dots for the eyes that look so adorable. It looks so much more better. Beautiful. Oopsies, messed some black paint on my fingers. I don't like it. I mean, it looks nice. I think the shoes could just look better. I think we should just paint the whole thing black. Wow, now that is looking nice. Painting the shoes black, good choice, much better, 10 out of 10. Even though I don't normally use the color black on my bears, on my projects and stuff, but this bear just looks so cool with black boots. So I just decided to stick with it. Now this bear is looking so much more better. Okay, now we're done. That was pretty quick. No, I'm just kidding, we're not done. I decided to add white polka dots onto the shoes. And then I removed them. Now we're done. That's a cute bear. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to shine bright.